All right, LFD booth here. They're based out of North Carolina, just like we are. They're unveiling a few different things this weekend. First is their semi bumper for the new 250 Land Cruisers. So you get recovery points through a winch in there. They have a roof rack as well. And then for Ineos Grenadier, they have a roof rack. What's really cool about the roof rack is you can still pop the windows if you have those. And they also have a front bumper as well, the new Ineos. So come check them out. They're right behind us. Our booth is right there. They're right here.
Please stop.